Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide online status on your iPhone, iPad and WhatsApp. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Simply what we have to do, we have to tap and hold the App Store. Now tap on Updates. Here we have to check the list. Is there any update available for WhatsApp? If there is, then we have to update the WhatsApp app first. After updating the WhatsApp app, we have to force close all the apps that are running in the background and launch the WhatsApp app. Then tap on Settings in bottom right corner. Then we have to tap on Accounts and tap on Privacy. Under Privacy, on the top we have a first option, Lost Scene, and you can select Lost Scene, everybody, my contacts accept, that you can select, then nobody. After that you have one more option in your latest iPhones. In the next block we have to select same as lost scene. When we select same as not lost scene, that lost scene is nobody, and if you select the same as lost scene, then no one can see your live status on your iPhone, iPad and WhatsApp. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.